A walking parade group is keeping locally owned restaurants in business by feeding hospital workers. And as Erica Ferrando tells us, they are now the model for groups with the same mission in other states.
The crew of Red Beans calls this food love.
Every workplace is the same. When somebody brings delicious food, everybody's happier.
Devin DeWolf is founder of the Walking Crew. He had a vision to thank healthcare workers with food while keeping local restaurants afloat.
My wife is an ER doctor at UMC, and when COVID started hitting really hard, she would come home from work and tell me about it every day. And one day she told me that a nurse had brought cookies and shared them with everybody. And that was the aha moment, because I knew the restaurants were going to be struggling. And I knew that the hospital workers really needed some morale boosting.
The operation started small.
We started, with a $60 order of food on, I guess, Tuesday, March 17th. And it just kind of exploded from there.
Now, Feed the Frontline NOLA feeds 2,300 healthcare workers at 15 hospitals every day in the New Orleans area.
We love our city.
Musicians and artists out of work are hired to deliver the food. It all comes from small neighborhood restaurants.
We're like, okay, now for sure, we'll be able to stay open.
DeWolf says they teach groups around the country how to help in their cities.
But believe it or not, the group in New Orleans is doing the most right now of anybody.
Now 51,000 meals completed, pouring $500,000 into New Orleans restaurants, all because of the inspiration from his wife, one of our hospital heroes working on the front line. Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.
Keeping those on the front lines paid and keeping our restaurants busy. Love to see it. All right, DeWolf says 100% of donations go toward this effort since they are volunteer run with no administrative cost.